Today's class will be covering different methods of heating our home. One of the most widely used methods in this country, and I guess maybe around the world today, is gas furnaces, gas-fired furnaces using propane or natural gas. And what we have here is a natural gas-fired furnace. And we'll be talking about some of the major parts that make up this furnace. One of the main parts of the furnace we have here is what we call the heat exchanger. And that's where the heat is created by the burners. We have 3 burners here, 1, 2, 3. And our flame heats up the heat exchanger, and through the ductwork, it's distributed throughout the building or throughout the house. Another component that we want to discuss is the gas valve. And this is where the gas comes in to the furnace and throughout the manifold here. And the manifold is where the 3 spuds is what it's called, that develops the gas in a fine spray or a fine mist, and it deals and that helps in the combustion and the burning of the gases. So the gas valve is very, very important as well. And we're also going to close on the control board. The thermostat usually upstairs gets a signal, and it sends a signal to the control board to get everything started or get everything fired up for heating. And the control board has a low voltage side here for the terminals for your thermostat here. Another method of heating our homes is with a boiler. Usually in residential, they have what is called residential hot water boilers, which boils water at around 130, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And as part of that process of heat transfer, you have radiators. That hot water is sent to either radiators or heat exchangers, as it's called, or sometimes called baseboard heaters. And that hot water goes in and it comes out and it comes right back to the boiler. And with the help of the gas valve and the burners, this particular furnace boiler has 2 burners. It heats up the hot water and sends it throughout the whole building or the whole house, and it comes right back to the unit at a much lower temperature. Lower temperature.
Okay.
Another method of heating our homes is with electric heat. And this is maybe the most expensive way of heating your homes as a result of these heating elements. These heating elements get hot and it creates heat, and the blower motor inside of the electric heat furnace blows across the coil and blows it throughout the plenum, through the ductwork, and throughout the facility. This is your main switch for the electric heat, and these are the burners, not the burners, but the heating elements, and these are the safety elements to cut this furnace off if the temperature in these coils get too hot. Now think of a coil as like a toaster. How you burn you get your toast in a toaster, and you see how it glows. The coils glow. This is the same way, but they glow much higher. The temperature goes much higher using electric heat.